Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, today we will learn about 30 flower names for kids. Let's start. 1. Rose. 2. Sunflower. 3. Lotus. 4. Daisy. 5. Lily. 6. Tulip. 7. Marigold. 8. Jasmine. 9. Hibiscus. 10. Orchid. 11. Lavender. 12. Daffodil. 13. Chrysanthemum. 14. Poppy. 15. Bluebell. 16. Carnation. 17. Daisy, Gerbera. 18. Morning Glory. 19. Magnolia. 20. Peony. 21. Anemone. 22. Aster. 23. Dahlia. 24. Camellia. 25. Foxglove. 26. Snowdrop. 27. Zinnia. 28. Primrose. 29. Buttercup. 30. Petunia.
Please like the video and subscribe for more.